Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another one new video. So I'll showing you today on these videos CodeBlocks software. So CodeBlocks is a IDE integrated development environmental software. So I'll showing you in these videos how can you download the CodeBlocks software and how can you install perfectly. So I'll show you the installation, all of the installation process step by step. So we need to download the software first and then need to install. So I need to download this software, so I'm just write down here the CodeBlocks and then search it. Here is the CodeBlocks organizational website, www.codeblocks.org. so I'll just click here the CodeBlocks, and here is all of the CodeBlocks. The information is here, so I need to download the CodeBlocks software. So I'll just go in this site, is the download file, so I'll just click on download. Here is the download feathers here. So here is, it's basically three different types of downloaded software is here. So one, download the binary release, another one, download the source code, another the revive source code from SVN. So we normally choose the first one, download the binary release. So I'll just click down here. Then is this the binary release CodeBlocks software? It's basically uses in Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 as well. And it's basically use, another one is Linux 32 and 34-bit as well, and also Mac. If you like, you have Mac OS, so you can use in this software on Mac as well. So here is different types of feathers on this like the same softwares. So we are basically download this one. It's the number 4 is this one, is CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup exe file. So here is just click is for sub, is the number 4. Now is it start to download is here. Just look, is this the software is downloading, so we need to wait some moment. Now is this the software is download completed, so I need to install this software. I'll just click down here, yes. Now is this the CodeBlocks icon is coming here, so I need to follow some processes here. So I need to click down the next for next process. Here is this the software license agreement. So yes, I will agree all of the terms and conditions. So I'll write down is the I agree. And here is, it's basically the default setting is here. So if you want to like changes anything, you can do, but I don't need any changes, so that's why I just click down is the next button. Then is it the installation final process, so I'll just click down the install here. Now it's going to be installation. It's installing now at this moment, so we need to wait some moment for completing this installation. And it's going to be successfully installed at this moment. Yeah, is this one is installed already, and here is the showing a message, do you want to run CodeBlocks? Yeah, I want to run the CodeBlocks software, so I just click down is here, yes. it's successfully installation completed. Now it's showing them it's opening the main interface of the CodeBlocks software. Yeah, is this the main interface of the CodeBlocks software? Yeah,